Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on auto rotate in Vivo Y53s. One guys, you want to on your auto rotate, so guys you can on it. In this video guys, I will show you how to on auto rotate. So let's start the video friends. First of all, open your phone setting to on guys auto rotate. Then guys click on display and brightness setting. And guys you can see auto rotate screen. So guys we will on from here. And guys example for guys I'm telling this taking you to, so you want to rotate your phone, so you can rotate guys, you can see when we will do this, so you can rotate your phone from this setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. We will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.